only done what's best for Remnant. And no one is grateful!
Come to Mama!
That's it! Incoming!
He's so cute.
Oh, you can count on it.
Filthy animals do not belong in road shit!
Why?
Do not full run!
Why?
Do you live in a cave?
One baguette, hold the meal!
Back off!
Go, Double D, go!
Thank you, Eddie. Release his rage now!
No need to say anything, Plank. I would not hear it anyways. Ah! I am in stitches!
Why, you? Oh, brother. I'm coming, Clay! A burden has been placed on Ron. Rise and shine, sleepyhead.
Fly, Double D, fly! Cool. Here we go! Yep, my brain stopped. Ah! Whoops, there it goes. Hello! Hug me! Prepare to meet your maker! Ouch!
Right on! I'm my own person, Plank!
Anybody got an extra scratch?
Scratch this! Crying out loud!
This better not mess up my hair, Ed!
Hi, Eddie!
Mayday, mayday!
Is that the support beam to the house?
What's a support beam?
Holy mackerel! Goodbye, Pinocchio.